लॉंग टेल्ड श्राईक ह्या पक्षाला मराठीतून गांधारी पण म्हणतात. महाभारतात गांधारीच्या डोळ्यावरती काळी पट्टी लावली होती, त्यामुळे असे नाव. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now. Like, share and comment to my videos. Long-tailed shrike. Habitat distribution. Long-tailed shrikes widely distributed across Asia. It breeds from Kazakhstan and Central Asia down through Indian subcontinent, where it is common resident, east to China and south into Southeast Asia, the Philippines, Indonesia and New Guinea. Red-backed shrike. Red-backed shrike. Habitat distribution. Breeds across Eurasia from Western Europe, UK to Central Russia and Western Siberia. It is long-distance migratory bird that winters in southern Africa. It is a passage migrant bird to India and stop over for a month or so. Red-tailed shrike. Red-tailed shrike. Habitat distribution. Red-tailed shrike breeds to Central Asia, including parts of Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan, Iran, Afghanistan and northwest China. It migrates south to spend winter across East, Northeast and West Africa. This bird is also a passage migrant bird to India and stop over for a month or so. Its highly varied diet includes insects, grasshopper, beetles, butterflies, moths and centipedes, vertebrates, small rodents like mice, lizards, frog, crabs and small birds. Opportunistic item: bird eggs, fish and occasionally fruit.